Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Robinhood and Vanguard. The first most important thing I need to share with you is that you should use Vanguard for retirement account and Robinhood for day trading, investing, and also gambling, if I can say it like that. So if you want to use Wall Street bets and invest to options, go with the Robinhood, because you're gonna pay no fee at all. So this is just the start of the video. Use Vanguard for retirement and Robinhood for day trading, week trading, and also gambling. Now, first I'm going to talk about the fees, like what kind of fees they got, if they have an inactivity fee or withdrawal fee. Then I will talk about the account opening, if it's easy or hard, markets and products, what they actually offer, customer service, design of applications, and last, security on both of these brokers. So Robinhood got no fee at all in stocks, ETF, and also they got no fee for options. Vanguard has fees for stocks. Let me show you. If you would go here, they got fee for commission of $2,000 trade of $7, but their ETFs are for free. So I would use it for retirement, for investing on monthly basis on ETFs, and then or like the 401k or something like that. So that's what I would do. Now, Robinhood, really great for buying and selling stocks and options. Go with Robinhood way. Now, I will jump to markets and products because both of these platforms don't have any inactivity fee or withdrawal fee that you need to be careful about. Markets and products, you can see it right here. Vanguard has funds, bonds, and also options, but you get to pay a fee. But they have funds and bonds, which is all right. But again, Robinhood don't have this. They don't have funds and bonds. They have only crypto, options, stocks, and ETF. So research and education, again, I think they're much better in Vanguard comparing to Robinhood. So you have some data, asset fundamentals. Robinhood is... What I don't like about Robinhood is that you don't have the alerts. So custom alerts when like the price is going down of the stock you got in your watch list. Now, another thing is that the customer service is really bad in Robinhood. So I don't recommend long-term investing with Robinhood only because Vanguard is completely dominating. What I really like about Vanguard also that you can on monthly basis automatically invest into the ETFs of Vanguard and others. So that's huge. I mean, like that's huge. So definitely go with the Vanguard and you're gonna be all right. Customer service, you can see it by yourself here. Robinhood, fast response time, but no phone support, no live chat, no 24/7 support. But the response time is changed right now only because it takes like 1 week from Robinhood to reply to, from Robinhood support to reply to. On Vanguard, you get also like fast response time and phone support that you can call them if you have any problems at all. They are helpful and plenty of people are using Vanguard. So to summarize this whole video, like again, if you want to invest on long-term basis, oh, I didn't show you one important thing. How is the trading looking like? So Robinhood is looking like a video game. You can see it by yourself. It's like video game. Now, Vanguard is like the old guy who got a wisdom. I don't know how to define it, like a magician, right? That it's all right. It's nothing perfect. It's nothing like goddamn amazing, but it's all right. Robinhood is a top-notch quality from the design standpoint of their application. And now we can summarize the video. If you're a beginner and you want to try options through Wall Street bets and you want to buy and trade stocks, go with Robinhood. Like if you want to buy and sell on a yearly basis, daily, weekly basis. If you want to open a retirement account and you want to invest on monthly basis to ETFs and you don't want to really care about like investing on a daily basis and you don't want to care about your money, that's me. Like I don't like day trading. I don't like week trading. I don't have the emotional capacity to do that. I don't like trading options. I like to just take my money, invest, I don't know, 500, 1,000 euro monthly into ETFs and move on with my life and focus on my businesses and to create, like to earn more money. So that's what I would do. That's what I do. So you do you. And this is what I recommend. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and feedback. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.